Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in week 2 in modules, January 13th through the 19th. We have two discussions 2A and 2B to complete. We have Thursday due dates for the essay in both of these discussions, and we have Sunday due dates for the peer evaluations in both of these discussions. So please keep that in mind, and we have MLA quizzes. We are here in home, of course, and this is our bulletin board. What is our motif for the week? Our symbol, SpongeBob. It's kind of corny, but I like him. Okay, Mr. Essay, I say prepare to be written. And that's fitting because this is a research paper class. We're learning to write an essay in which we support our contentions, our claims with sources, people, and organizations we quote. And our class topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates, and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. Okay, let's scroll up and let's click on this handy link here to modules, which is over here in the left menu. Modules is our class Bible. And this will take us up into week 2, January 13th through the 19th. Please remember that discussion A and discussion 2B do not have January 19th due dates. You have 2 essays to write for these discussions. And as we scroll down, we see that there is a part 1. There's a part 1 in both of them. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday. And there is also a part 2. This is the peer evaluations. They're due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, let's go back into home. And a reminder to you that as well as these discussions with Thursday due dates for the essay and a Sunday due date for the peer evaluations, you have 2 MLA quizzes. They must be submitted by the deadline, and I'm going to click on this again and show you the deadline for these. It is January 19th, but once you submit those quizzes, you can submit them as many times as you like until you earn the best grade you're capable of earning, which I think is an A, and I'm sure you do too. Okay, let me remind you, please, that we are in a 5-week course. I do not accept late homework except in an emergency situation, and if you have a problem that will cause you to be late for many of your assignments, please consider dropping the class. We are in a 5-week class. I am grading about 80 essays a week, so if you're trying to submit late, you throw me behind and I become late. So let's work together, okay? If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in the inbox. You're never ever bothering me when you email me. Anything that's not clear to you, I'm right here. Okay, let's have a good week.